Welcome to this LinkedIn event. My name is Getulio C. I'm the head of products for Maersk Middle America, and I'm very happy to be with two of my fellow colleagues from Latin American area, Douglas Tacla and Roberto Rodrigues. Well, we are going through a very important business transformation, and we have changed our operating model to become a very important logistic global integrator that can help our customers integrating their end-to-end supply chain. Again, my name is Getulio. I have been working for the last 2 years, and it's been an incredible experience. And I would like also to introduce you to my two fellow colleagues joining me here today, Douglas Tacla. And so, Douglas, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Good morning, Getulio, Roberto, and good morning, all. Thank you very much for joining us. It's a pleasure to talk a little bit with you guys. My name is Douglas. I have worked for Maersk almost 1 year. In fact, more a couple of weeks, 1 year. And as Getulio said, it's really a great company to work with. The colleagues, the business, all the integration that we can provide. So very happy to be here. Roberto?
Yes, so thanks Douglas, thanks Getulio. It's a pleasure to be here talking to you today with my fellow colleagues. My name is Roberto Rodrigues. I've been with Maersk for almost 12 years, and I've been in logistics for a little bit more than 25 years. And it's great to be here and have this conversation with you about our company and the transformation, the challenge, and most importantly, the opportunities we have during this transformation. So I hope you enjoy the time with us. So back to Getulio.
Thank you, Roberto. Well, thank you everyone and for the questions that you have raised to us. So we're gonna go through a couple of questions that you sent us previously, and then we'll take some questions from our audience live. So Roberto, this first question is to you. What are the upcoming or current opportunities in the logistics and service teams? Would you please share with us what type of roles and what they will be working on in our company?
Definitely, Getulio. Indeed, we have many opportunities within Maersk today, basically everywhere in the world. Wherever you think about a location in the world, Maersk is most likely present and is developing very fast its logistics capabilities. And as part of our transformation, our journey, we are definitely looking for people with a lot of expertise in certain areas. I can give you a few examples. We've been building our contract logistics infrastructure in many locations as we speak. And one example of a position that we are recruiting quite often is the solutions engineering. Solutions engineering are those professionals who understand our customer needs and develop the best solution to their supply chain. This type of professionals are very much available. Those positions are available in many parts of the world currently. And other positions are also very relevant to us right now. Customer service agents, for example, people who deal with our customers on a day-to-day and really support our customers' needs on their day-to-day logistics. So just to share two examples of types of careers or professionals we've been looking for. Back to you, Getulio.
Thank you, Roberto. Douglas, you are the head of W&D for Maersk in Latin America. And Roberto has told us about these exciting opportunities for senior engineers joining our company. So could you please tell us a little of what do these roles do? For example, on solution engineering roles and implementation, what is expected for these roles to bring into our company?
Yeah, that's very excited positions. Of course, we always look for very good professionals with, as Roberto said, with good formation, but also good experience. We want dynamic people to run those roles, Getulio. Imagine that we want to grow, and in fact, we have grow two times a year our footprint, our business. So that's really amazing growth that we need those kind of professionals. And as you said, continuous improvement, for example, this is really important position because we do not want just to grow. We want to serve our customers with state-of-the-art operations. So we have to continuous improvement our operations to serve our customers with the state-of-the-art operations. So continuous improvement, for example, we need people with lean, logistics, Six Sigma, and work very close with the operation to improve our operations always. Also, you said about implementation. So this is really key. A good operation is a good operation from the day one. So we need people, very energizing people, to support us, to support our operations, to be close to our customers, to implement the business that we get. And we are getting business every day, thanks God. So this is really important position. I mean, in summary, we are looking for engineers or people that had developed skills in engineering that knows logistics as a whole, because we are an integrator in the warehousing, in the distribution. We need solution design, as you and Roberto said, to design the best solution to fit our customer business. People to implement, people to operate, and the people to work on the continuous improvement. And it is not only in Latin America. Of course, as we are growing and we have very important operations in US, in Asia, in Europe, this is a kind of colleagues that we need around the world.
Douglas, thank you so for your answer. Douglas, I want to stay with you for a bit. And there's another question that we do get a lot, and is this one: do we need a logistics or supply chain background to apply to Maersk LNS vacancies? Is it necessary to have a logistics or supply chain degree, or for entry level positions, can we have any other background? So, Douglas, can you help us with that one?
Yeah, in fact, Maersk has as criteria to form, to educate people. We have a lot of tools, very, very efficient and good tools to train and to complement the background, the formation of the team. So we need people in all stages of their career. I mean, that's we have young guys with a lot of energy to join us, that a good academic background, but also with a lot of energy to join us, and wishes to grow and to learn about logistics. And of course, we need people with expertise. We need people with background to support our operations, to coach our young talents, and of course, we need people with a background. But also, it's more than welcome to receive young talents, to be educated, to be trained, to be part of our group.
You say that is not necessarily mandatory requirement to apply to our NS vacancies. but we can also have different experience, for instance, customer service experience, so that we can be a customer experience agent. And definitely any background or education would be a good fit
Absolutely.
for our company. Thank you for that. Now, Roberto,
Absolutely.
I'm coming back to you. Can you please tell us a little what experience do people need to join Maersk Logistics and Services team? And can you tell us from your own experience heading LNS in East Coast South America, what do people need to join us?
Yep. Definitely, Getulio. I think Douglas touched a little bit on that. For certain positions, we do need supply chain experience and education, because of course there are certain positions that we do require a certain level of knowledge. But we do have a lot of other positions within the company that are the positions, especially the entry levels, where people do not necessarily need to be an expert on logistics or supply chain. So we do have a space for all types of professionals. What I think is really, really important is really the desire to learn. We are a company that is transforming very fast. So agility, openness to try new things and to learn are definitely characteristic type of people we are looking for. We need people with energy, with passion, people who sees their career as something that is relevant to them, but also they are contributing to something bigger, right? As we have our purpose as a company, which is improving life for all by integrating the world. We definitely want people who understands our purpose and sees themselves as part of this wonderful opportunity to improve life for all. And that's something that is really important for the type of people we really want to attract and bring it to help us on this transformation.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Roberto.
just to complement here, Getulio, I think that's in summary, we need people that like people, because we want to, as Roberto said, to improve the life for all, but also we are in the journey for our customers. So we want our customers well attended. We want to walk with our customers in this journey. But by the way, Getulio, you are asking so much, no? Can you complement a little bit our answers here?
Absolutely. Well, you have said pretty much all. So, but I do believe that, as you very well said, we're a global company. We have global opportunities, and we do provide training to everyone. So you don't necessarily need an engineer and supply chain background. You can learn from us if you start an entry-level job being a customer experience agent, and we can get you trained. Definitely for much more experienced roles, we're going to be needing that experience from outside. If you have that experience and you want, as I had you to visit our and try our site, and there are plenty of opportunities. Maersk is definitely growing a lot, and we need people like you. So if you feel like, and as you very well said, Douglas, we like people that like working with people. So this is a people business. So if you like working with people and you have what it takes, just don't hesitate and apply for the amazing job opportunities that we have. And
Getulio,
yeah, sure.
no, sorry. Just to complement, right? One of the key pillars of our culture is really how we help our people to grow, right? And we are, of course, looking for a lot of new professionals with different background, but it is also part of our culture to develop our people. And we do have a lot of tools that we use in our day-to-day online trainings, face-to-face trainings that we apply and present to our people, so our people can continue to develop themselves and can continue to learn new things and can continue to grow on their career as well. So besides bringing new competence and new people, we are also very caring with the people that we already have in the company, and we keep helping them also to learn and develop their careers.
Thank you, Roberto. I like something that you both say, that we are looking for people that like working with people. But now we come to this question on digital behaviors. And this is an open question to you both. What trends can you share in your customers' digital behaviors? Can you share any specific example on digital behaviors or something that you're seeing in your markets?
Well, I can start, and Douglas, please help me with the additional comments. We have done a lot of things to really transform logistics globally. Logistics is something very old, of course, and used to be very manual, very basic. And Maersk has been on this journey of digitalizing logistics. And one example we can provide among other tools that we have developed is our trade lanes product, where we can based on a blockchain technology, we can switch or transfer information from one side to another, allowing, for example, the electronic bill of lading and cargo being cleared in the destination country without paperwork. So it's really about reducing paperwork, optimizing supply chain, reducing costs for our customers. So that has been one of the key examples of what we have been doing to really transform logistics globally. Douglas, if you want to add.
Yeah, look, that's perfect, Roberto. I just would add that we are, and we want to be more and more the logistic integrator. I mean, that's integration is what we have a passion to do. And in this world, how could be possible to integrate without integration of information with digital capabilities? Imagine that we can handle a good product from Beijing or from Sydney to our region here in São Paulo or Tijuana or Argentina, no matter where. So we need to know every moment where is this good. And of course, we have to inform our customer. Our customer want to know about this product. I mean, digitalization is a very nice word, but in the real life, this is mandatory. Mainly for us, as I said, to be the integrator, no? This is really important. And take advantage of this digitalization topic to say also that we look for every day for innovation, no? In our warehousings, we have very important automation. In the US, we have several operations with cobots. We have conveyors, we have automatically picking, etc., etc. So that's part of our DNA, you know. Integrate with technology, with digitalization. So this is not a trend, but this is a real life for us in Maersk.
Thank you both. Now we're going to get a question from our guest here live, and this is a question from Mohammed. Mohammed is asking the Maersk policy that its clients are also socially. So, Roberto, would you help me with this one?
Yeah, would you mind repeating the question, Getulio, because it
Sure.
cut a
Sure.
bit.
Mohammed is asking, I want inclusion and diversity. How does it ensure that its clients are also socially responsible employers?
Okay, thanks, Mohammed, for the question. We are improving the way we see diversity and inclusion every day. That's something that is very, very relevant and very important to us in Maersk. We don't have restrictions or limitations or differentiation on the way we treat people anywhere. It doesn't matter the origin or religion or any type of difference that people may think about. That's really something very, very important to us. That's something that everybody in this company is fully supportive, because that's really part of our day-to-day life. And we have seen this is becoming also very, very, very important to our customers. And we in discussions with our customers on our day-to-day, we see this is really taking in the moment, right? Taking the moment globally, and we see this is evolving very fast, also in different industries. So that's something that we take very seriously in our organization, and we really appreciate the people that we hire and the people that we have in our company for their openness and for dealing properly with diversity and inclusion the way we believe is the right way to do it.
Yeah, just complementing, that's Roberto is perfect, but just to complement, for us from Latin America, that's really comfortable to see that we have in very senior position, very close to the board, and in the board, people from different nationalities. So, and our CEO, few days ago, said something like that we have more people from countries than countries that we act. And I can assure you that we have a business in almost all countries in the world. So, but we have more nationality than countries that we have worked. So we work for more than 100 countries, and we have much more nationality in our organization. So this is just an example that for us, all people are really equal, really the same. So no matter if you are from Latin America, Europe, or Asia, or no matter. So you have equal chances to reach very senior position in our company.
We get that question asked a lot, and also ask you, we from others that are willing to relocate. And I would like to this one. I'm gonna put myself an example. I'm in Mexico, but I'm Colombian, born and raised. So definitely yes. Roberto, he used to work in Panama, and well, Douglas is Brazilian, but he works for the Latin America head office in Panama. So both of us, we can say we have relatives from our country. And yes, Maersk is willing to help you relocate if you have the right skills and the right to work with.
Yeah, that's a good point also. Very good, Getulio, because, sorry, just it is a good point, because we really take care of our people career, no? And I have my team, young guys, very young guys that wants to grow, and their dream is to start with us, to make a career with us, to let their mark, their legacy. But in the future, they want to move to other country, to other continents, no? And it is part of their career. So we plan the career in a long term. So I have people that we know that now they work with us in Latin America, but in 5 years or in 3 years, they will be in Europe or US or Asia. So that's also very important that we really take care of the career of our people.
Well, thank you. That was very insightful, Douglas. And this last question, this is the last question we're going to take today because of time, is sustainability agenda. So tell us a little of how we're leveraging technology in sustainability. A couple of examples on environment, if you could.
Sure, definitely. Look, we are very committed to making logistics, to making Maersk a net zero emission by 2040 as a whole. And in order to really come to this target, we are developing a lot of different solutions in partnership with a lot of companies, including customers as well, to really find the best alternative or the best solution to make zero emission possible by 2040. For example, we have developed what we call a carbon emissions dashboard for our ocean transportation. So customers can monitor what's the reduction in emissions they are producing, or how much they are reducing their emissions by choosing a solution with us that use an efficient fuel. For example, we also have been doing a lot of investments in our warehouse, for example, to use equipment that is CO2 emission free. We are also doing, for example, solar panels as a source of power to certain warehouses and facilities that we operate. So we have been using technology. At the same time, we have been doing investments in our vessels, for example, also to be able to reduce significantly or eliminate the emissions of CO2. So that's something that is very important. And the good thing is that we are seeing more and more interest and support from our customers towards the environment improvement. And that's really something that is very encouraging to see that customers are really buying into the problem and understanding that we need together find solutions for the world, and that's something that we need to continue to work together.
Well,
just another example, very quick. That's we have an operation in Peru. That's we do the warehousing, also with the sustainability, as Roberto said, and the delivery to final customer using electric trucks.